Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Motivational Monday. I am your host, David Lewis. Major League Baseball legend Hank Aaron said his motto was always to keep swinging. Whether I was in a slump or feeling badly or having trouble off the field, he said, the only thing to do was keep swinging. That is important stuff to remember if you are in the retail automotive business. The old car sales saying that beats the same drum goes like this: do the same thing every day anyways. That's how you build a great career in this business and keep going when the going gets tough. By putting your best stuff out there every day with every customer, no matter what is happening in the marketplace or in your head on any given day, the only thing to do is keep swinging. There's also an old missionary saying that says, you should pray like everything depends on God and work like everything depends on you. I don't know whether you believe in prayer or not, but that's a good way to look at life no matter who you are or what you do for a living. You need to work like there is someone working 24 hours a day to take it away from you. But don't take that to mean that the one working against you is your customer. That's a sure way to get back to doing business the old way and the way it used to have been done and making people feel like they would rather have a dental root canal than go to a car dealership to buy a car. It may feel like you're in competition with your customers sometimes, but most of the time it's our own mindset and tendency we all have that sometimes lets us project out problems on others instead of taking responsibility for our own success or failures. No doubt about it, sometimes we can all be our own worst enemy. But the best thing to do when you're going through a slump or lacking in an attitude of gratitude is to put your nose to the grindstone. Start taking control of your future and get back to the goals you have for reaching the success you want to achieve. There is another great baseball player who made a fantastic comment, and he said, losing streaks are funny. If you lose at the beginning, you get off to a bad start. If you lose in the middle of the season, you're in a slump. If you lose at the end, you're choking. Don't let the challenges you face make you lay back and play it safe. Work like there is someone working 24 hours a day to take it away from you. And the chances are, whoever that might be, will give up, and you'll end up winning the game.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.